to make your own aquarium with a basin and some boats, the little boats that we did before. Once that we have different materials that we can add to our basin, I will show you. For example, we can add some colorful stones like this, so we can throw with them to make it more colorful, to pretend that this is the coral reef. And also later on we can classify even by stones if you want. We also can add some shells if we have, to pretend that is the sea. Oh, look, this one is floating. And we can add something like this, some coral, different shells to make it more beautiful. Also we can add little white stones, maybe some stones that you can find in the park or some place like this, stones, as you prefer. So once you have it like you like it, then you can even add some more color, maybe with watercolor. I don't know if this is going to work a lot, but you can use different paintings if you want. Yes, I can see some blue color in there, or purple maybe, green, just the colors of the sea. Sometimes it's, well, there are some seas that are even red or pink, but normally they are blue or green. Yeah, so we can add a little bit of color. I don't know if you see it in the camera, but I can see it here. And then we can add our pirate boat. It is the most important thing. Let's see if it floats. We can play with that to see if it floats, and the different ships that we've made. This one that is purple, this one with a Star Wars print, and this one. As you can see, we have our little sea in the house. Just make it as you wish, and you can play and do some floating. So enjoy, little pirate. Bye bye. Something else that you can do is paint the cells and make a little line here, like to pretend that it's a fish. Also, you can play with the boats to add some stones inside to see if it floats or not, to see what happens, how much weight they can carry. Like, for example, 1, 2, 3. Oops, with 3, then can't float anymore. You see, you can experiment to see if it floats or not. Obviously, it's better, you see, when the sailing boat, the fabric is wet, it's difficult for the boat to stay like this one. You see that this one is dry. And as you can see, the bottle of the bottle cork, it's very good at floating. It's better than the nutshell, I think. But you can try to put some things, to carry things, to carry. I used to play something like that when I was a girl. I used to use the nutshells and put some insects inside, like to pretend that they are the sailors. You can play something like that, but be careful with the insects. And you see, you can put some weight in there as you prefer. So this is, and just have fun. And also we can do some counting with the stones. Also you can make your own counting, like for example, the stones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 and 5 makes 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, 20 stones we have. Now we are gonna count the shells. Let's see how many. You can do the counting. 1, 2, that's right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6. Now we're gonna make the counting of the sailing boats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 boats we have. We can also play to do classifications to see which one. Look, this one is the tiny one, this is medium one, and this is big one.